Just look at this. Hey, Timon, Timon, wake up. It's time to get up. Time to make a new video. Guys are waiting. Well, enough. Wake up. Although, he behaves exactly like I did in the morning. But when he was small, he woke up early and woke everyone up. I know how to get Timon's attention. Just show him this. Guys, this is kinetic sand. You know what it is? Once I myself played with my nephews and made a huge castle. I don't remember if I showed you this video, but if you're interested, tell me in the comments. But I showed you another video, kinetic sand stress ball, which I dropped off the 5th floor. Then I was very surprised that nothing happened with it. I mean, the balloon has remained intact. This video is on the channel, and here is the link. Kinetic sand is very nice thing to play with. Who does not know kinetic sand made out of sand itself, like 98% and 2% some silicon oil, thanks to which the sand easily keeps different forms. Here the simplest example. And the meerkats like to play with the sand. Just look at Timon now. Timon constantly tries to put his nose into the sand, and all because in nature the meerkats live in holes that they dig themselves. Just look what's gonna happen now. I think now he's looking for food, bugs or worms. And do you know that the mother meerkat is the main in the flock? Just like my neighbor's mother. It seems that now it is Timon's favorite entertainment. He has been digging for an hour. He did not even want to eat. Guys, do you like this video? Do you want more such individual videos about the life of my pet Timon? Maybe a video from his usual life in an apartment, or you want to see more crazy experiments? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.